Welcome back my channel Cars is Car. Introduction. Welcome to the ultimate luxury experience on wheels, the Rolls-Royce Phantom VIII. In this video, we're diving into everything that makes this car one of the most prestigious vehicles ever built. From design, performance, comfort, to that famous Rolls-Royce magic, the Phantom VIII has it all. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what it's like to ride in absolute elegance. Design and exterior. Rolls-Royce designs are not about trends, they're about timeless elegance. The Phantom VIII embodies this philosophy. At the front, we have the signature Pantheon grille flanked by laser headlights with intricate daytime running lights. And, of course, standing proudly on the hood is the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy, a sculpture synonymous with luxury. The bodywork is pure art, smooth, clean lines that emphasize sophistication. This car looks like it's gliding, even when it's parked. And you can customize just about everything, from paintwork to the smallest trims. Rolls-Royce offers over 44,000 exterior color options, ensuring that your Phantom VIII is truly unique. Interior and comfort. Stepping inside the Phantom VIII is like entering a private lounge. Every material here has been chosen with precision, think hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood veneers, and soft wool carpets. And the level of detail? Unmatched. The rear seats, often the most important for Phantom owners, are a masterpiece. They offer reclining, massage functions, and can be fitted with a rear entertainment system. And how about this? The Starlight headliner, a bespoke roof made up of fiber optic lights, turns the ceiling into a sparkling night sky. Performance and driving experience. Now, don't let the Phantom's opulent look fool you, there's serious engineering underneath. Under the hood is a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine that delivers 563 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. This car isn't about speed runs, though it still goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.1 seconds, which is impressive for a vehicle this size. Driving the Phantom VIII feels like floating. Rolls-Royce's Magic Carpet Ride technology ensures the smoothest experience possible, using air suspension and adaptive dampers to iron out even the smallest bumps. You don't drive a Phantom, you glide. Unique selling points. What makes the Phantom VIII truly unique is the level of customization and craftsmanship. Every Phantom is built to order, with owners able to select everything from seat embroidery to hand-painted coach lines. Rolls-Royce even offers the gallery, a section on the dashboard where you can display artwork or personal memorabilia. And remember, this is not just a car, it's an experience. Rolls-Royce is known for its unparalleled service, from personal delivery by a specialist to access to the company's bespoke design studio. Pricing and final thoughts. Of course, all this luxury comes at a price. The starting price for the Phantom VIII is around $460,000, and that's before any customization. But, for those who demand the best of the best, it's worth every penny to buy in the end. The Rolls-Royce Phantom VIII isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's about indulging in the finest things in life and arriving in style, every single time. Whether you're behind the wheel or in the back seat, the Phantom VIII is an experience you won't forget. Outro. So, that wraps up our deep dive into the Rolls-Royce Phantom VIII. What do you think? Is this the ultimate luxury car? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive reviews and experiences. Until next time, drive safe and drive in style.